It's time to nga. Famous place to drink. Okay, how much kaya? Kasya na kaya 10? Sige, 10. Pindutin mo yung 10. 10. Ay, 10. Oo, Nets card. Ay, hindi. Nets yung gagamitin. Sorry ulit. Okay. Lagay mo na. Ito yung main menu kasi. Basahin mo muna. 10. Yan. Tapos, is not successful. Remove and try again.
Baka ito. May main menu ko.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ulit, 10.
Tapos lag 20 na na.
Dito, di ba? Bakit? Invalid transaction? Teka nga. 10. Ayun, di ba nakalagay tap? Wala talaga. Ano natin? Oh, magana yung next. Yan. Kaya naman pala today. Akala ko hindi magana yung card ko. Nakakaloka. Hello. Going to? Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Sa Marina.
Marina. Ang mga bagets.
Hanapin daw ba natin yung pink na?
Saan tayo? Pa Little India?
在1号月台的列车将会在本站停止服务。
Tabi-tabi na kayo. Diba? Sa bagal nilang maglakad. Wala kayo. Tabi-tabi din kami. Bayfront. Big tour guide, Mariela, in the house. Oh, sunod ka na. Sabi, tatayo-tayo agad ah. Sige. Gardens by the Bay. Galing. So nice. So we will try to load here. Let's see. Place your card. This reason. Okay. Receipt lang naman eh. Excuse mo. Ayaw talaga. Okay, try again. Ayaw talaga. Okay, sige, isa ulit.
So dito ate, hindi ko magana.
I-try ko.
Try mo nga.
Wala talaga. Sige, alis mo muna.
Okay, so we're here at Bayfront Station and thank you to Dito sa halip na namin tayo ng Easy Lake. So this is
what we use here in Singapore to tap. Wala silang mga cash basis. So, we were trying to load it here. You can see. And because it says Nets, Visa, JCB, and Master, however, na-confirm natin that they only accept local Singaporean credit cards. But if you want to tap your own credit card naman, Visa, Master, international they accept. So ako lang ang problem. But if you have a debit card, it's also not working. So no debit for EasyLink must be cash or local Singapore. Yes.
Parang yun yung maganda paggabi.
Aha.
Yung may ilaw-ilaw yata yun.
Yes. Gardens. So we have buggy service for those who don't want to walk, but it's not going to the Merlion. So still have to walk. Gardens by the bay. So here we can see the Marina Bay Sands. So we have checked in there. So maybe one day I will go there. And then next we will go to the trees. Ano ba yan? Trees? And then the famous Merlion. So here it's Sentosa ba to? Marina Bay. Sentosa, malayo pala yun. So we're here at Marina Bay and using LRT ba yun? MRT. Using the MRT, you can go down to Bayfront Station. Let's go! Pagod na kayo. First stop. This is Marina Bay Sands. So, we're going to see the, ano ba, Merlion na? Not yet. Ay, sige. Ano ba tawag dyan? Trees. Bye! Gaganda. Hindi inakala. So relaxing. Sarap maglakad. Di masyadong are. Di masyadong mainit. Nice weather here in Singapore. So here is where the buggy stops, but it doesn't go to the Merlion. So Bayfront. Nice.
Gupit mo ba?
Here it is. Scan QR and then we'll go to Red Bike. Yeah! So we are going to try the bikes using the app. Ay, kaya lang bebe. Ano ba to? Okay, for $1, 1 Singaporean dollar, 30 minutes. So, pero I think one cellphone, ano na, hati-hati na lang kayo. So, oo nga, hati-hati na. Okay, let's try. Go. Asayin na muna to kasi. So, 1 Singapore dollars for 30 minutes. Sige ha, bumalentong ka pa dyan. Hey, dito ka lang. Huy! Hindi. Yan. Ito naka-video. May pa one hand. Alright, so we're now heading to Merlion. Merlion yun, diba? So from Bayfront MRT, so we saw yung Marina Bay Sands, and then now we're going there. You can actually walk like a 10-minute walk, but you can also have this Hello Ride. So all you have to do is download the app, and then for 10 minutes, if you can bike until there for only like 10 minutes, then it's only 50 cents. But if you want to enjoy, it's for $1 Singaporean and it's for 30 minutes. Then you can just leave it there. So, I will show you my biking skills. Skills? Meron bang skills?
Sa mga bato.
Okay, ulit.
Wala. Nanggagaya kasi ng Nohan. Sabi.
So, there's just designated area pala kung saan mo siya ipapark. Di pwede doon. Yes, got it.
Add natin pa.
Teka, ilan na ba?
13 minutes pa lang.
Oo, sayang. Baka gusto niyo pa mag-bike. Mag-bike muna kayo.
Ikaw, LJ. So, pa. Ayaw.
Sige. So it's time to park. So these are the destinations for parking. Hindi naman pala siya pwede hanggang doon. So we're gonna walk from here. And thank you! So we are locking. Ay, yan. Ilalock na siya natin. 15 minutes lang natin siya nagamit, but it's worth it. Grace period. Oh, there's the grace period of 9 minutes. So, kung 30 minutes siya plus 10 minutes, so around 40 minutes pala siya. So, we could have used, you could use, ano lang, like less than 10 minutes and then switch it off. Then, pwede mo pa siyang gamitin kasi may grace period pa siya for parking. Something to learn! So, alright. So, freshen up before we proceed to the famous Merlion. Okay, so now we're going to the bridge connecting us to the famous Merlion. Bye-bye! Pagod na. Antok. Okay, almost there. We can see it. It's time to nga. Famous place to drink. Let's go! Ay. Sorry. Mali yung inaanuhan. Walang second floor. Higit dyan kay Lola. Sana all daw. Let's go. Little India. Little India. Yeah. Muna tayo and everything. O, titignan mo si Mariela. Be, iiwan mo lang pala dun, oh. Hindi mo na siya kailangang hawakan. Yay! Pa-load po. Ano? Amazing Race. O, magkatabi kayo. Saan kayo? Dun sa kanan? Sa kanan. Ay, umupo na siya. Sige lang. Ayan na isa. Sige. May pong. Oo nga. Yan. Naaamoy ko na yung mall. Yay! Finally! Something I can eat! Walang amoy-amoy yan. Ay, walang tanong-tanong. Amoy-amoy lang. Napuntang Starbucks. Mga taong Starbucks naman. So, pag-akyat, anong katabi?
Uniqlo.
Malapit sa Uniqlo Pool Bear. Go! Sige, tingnan natin kung naintindihan niyo yung binigay ng instructions. Hoy! Huwag kayo tumakbo. Excited mag-Starbucks yan. Why? Hindi ako naniniwala pag nagpapanggap siyang hindi niya alam. Oh, sa'yo na naman.
Naamoy namin yun. Pag nagiging conductor, pagka ano ko talaga to, na-master ko ang skills. Yes. Conductor. Yung mga ano yung...
Ayan na, Resource World na. So today, we're just going outside Universal Studios. So I think it needs, whole day. Whole day. So, next time, come back. Hello! Happy photo! Not going today. Next time. Let's check the ticket prices for Universal Studios. One day. 419 is already sold out, but it's 83 Singapore dollars or 62 for children. How about Fast Pass? Okay. How much? Oh, 80. It's only 80? Unlimited dated. Oh, 80 lang pala eh. Cancel order. I think that's nice. Enjoy! Where are we going to next? Wala, Starbucks. They're always in Starbucks. Yala. Ano yan? Lagot ka kay tita. Sabi ni tita, ayaw mo padalhin yung tubig mo ah. Sumbong. Pag niya bibigyan ng tubig. Huli. Okay, bye-bye. We're going to Chinatown now. Going back to Bibo. 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 Yes. Chinatown. Let's go. Parang 2D. Old houses, etc. And there are a lot of shops. If you want to buy souvenirs, this is the best place, Chinatown. Hindi na raw nila kaya, pagoda na. Dito na kami. Kaya ba? O, diba gala-gala kayo?
Magpa-picture sa
It for today, guys. Thank you so much. Bye, birthday guys. Singapore in one day. Grabe.